Hello and welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Now, Shaggy is on a high following his commercial debut at Super Bowl on Sunday. The Jamaican superstar's debut to over 96 million viewers of the mega sporting event saw Shaggy as part of the trio for the Cheetos Super Bowl commercial with movie star couple Mila Kunis and Ashton Kutcher. Shaggy appears in the hilarious pitched advert wearing a purple silk robe and a champagne scarf from the original It Wasn't Me music video. The advert was met with mainly rave reviews. Now, other Super Bowl commercials were filled with superstars like Drake from State Farm, Dolly Parton, Lenny Kravitz, Cardi B, and Michael B. Jordan. The stadium lit up with pyrotechnics and lights as The Weeknd performed a medley of his hits, including fan favorite I Can Feel My Face. Surprisingly, for the final performance, The Weeknd moved to the field where he was surrounded by bandaged face dancers for his most recent chart topper, Blinding Lights. Now, locally, dancehall artist Rytikal, who is charged with illegal possession of a firearm and ammunition, was remanded when he appeared in the gun court via Zoom on Tuesday. Police reported that on January 28, the artist was questioned and searched after he was behaving suspicious. Now, according to the police, the search revealed a Taurus .38 pistol with 12 rounds of ammunition. Rytikal is said to have told the police that the weapon was a prop for a music video. Now, a bail application is to be made on his behalf by his attorney, Abled on Foot, on March 4. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.